Hello students, this is chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.2, and the first sum is solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Now let's do the first subdivision. This is x plus y equals 14 and x minus y equals 4. So let this one be the first equation and this is equation 2. So we can start with 2 and modify this. X minus y equals 4 or x equals 4 plus y. Now let this be 3. X equals 4 plus y in equation 1. So that will be 4 plus y equals 14 or 4 plus y equals 14 or 4 plus 2y equals 14. Therefore 2y equals 14 minus 4, which is equal to 10. So if 2y equals 10, y equals 5. This is the first value which we have found out, y equals 5. We can substitute this y equals 5 in one of the equations and we can get the value for x. So put y equals 5 in equation 1. So that will be x plus 5 equals 14. Therefore x equals 14 minus 5 or x equals 9 is the answer. So what are the two values? X equals 9 and y equals 5. Now let's move on to the second subdivision. This is s minus t equals 3 and s over 3 plus t over 2 equals 6. So let's take this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. From 1 we can write s equals 3 plus t by bringing this t to the right side, and let's substitute this in 2. So substituting s equals 3 plus t in 2 becomes 3 plus t over 3 plus t over 2 equals 6. So let's take LCM. Now this is 6 and this will go 2 times. 2 times 3 plus t plus this will go 3 times. So 3 times t is 3t equals 6. Now cross multiplying this. So 2 times 3 plus t plus 3t equals 36. Now we'll expand this. 6 plus 2t plus 3t equals 36, or 6 plus 5t equals 36, or 5t equals 36 minus 6, which is equal to 30. Therefore t equals 30 over 5, which is equal to 6. So t equals 6 is one of the values. Now we can use t equal to 6 and find out the other value. So substituting t equals 6 in equation 1, what is that? This is s minus t equals 3. So s minus 6 equals 3, or s equals 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. Therefore s equals 9. This is the second value. So we found out the values. T equals 6 and s equals 9. Now let us do the third one. 3x minus y equals 3 and 9x minus 3y equals 9. So let this one be equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now let us take equation 2 and simplify this. 9x minus 3y equals 9. We'll take 3 common outside and this will be 3x minus y equals 9. 3x minus y equals 9 over 3 and 3x minus y equals 3. So this is actually equation 1. So equation 2 and equation 1 are actually the same equations. So therefore we cannot obtain a specific value for x and y because both the equations are same. In this case we can write equations 1 and 2 have infinitely many solutions since they are the same equations. Let's move on to the fourth one. This is 0.2x plus 0.3y equals 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equals 2.3. So let this one be equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we can simplify 1 as 0.2x plus 0.3y equals 1.3. From this we can write 0.3y equals 1.3 minus 0.2x, and therefore y equals 1.3 minus 0.2x over 0.3. Let this be 3 and we can use 3 substituting value of y from 3 in equation 2. So this will be 0.4x plus 0.5 times 1.3 minus 0.2x over 0.3 equals 2.3. Now we'll simplify this. Now taking LCM, this is 0.3. So 0.12x plus 0.5 times 1.3 minus 0.2x equals 2.3, and this is 0.12x plus 0.5 times 1.3 is 0.65 minus 0.5 into 0.2 is 0.10x, and we can also take this to the right side, and this will be 2.3 times 0.3. Now this is 0.12x minus 0.10x equals, now this is 2.3 times 0.3, which is 0.69 minus, let's bring this 0.65 to the right side, and that will be 0.65. so this is 0.04, and what will happen to the left side? 0.12x minus 0.10x, which is 0.02x. Therefore what is x? X equals 0.04 over 0.02, which is equal to 2. Therefore x equals 2 is the first value. Now we'll have to use this x equals 2 and we can put it in any of these equations 1, 2 or 3, and we can find the value. Now let's put it in 3. So substituting x equals 2 in 3, we can get y equals 1.3 minus 0.2 times 2, because for x we are substituting value 2 whole divided by 0.3. This is 1.3 minus 2 times 0.2 is 0.4 whole divided by 0.3, and this is 0.9 over 0.3, because 1.3 minus 0.4 is 9, so this is 0.9 over 0.3, which is equal to 3, or y equals 3. So we found the values, x equal to 2 and y equals 3. So this is the solution. Now let's move on to the fifth one. Root 2x plus root 3y equals 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equals 0. So let this one be the first equation, and this is equation 2. Now we can start with 1 and simplify this. So root 2x plus root 3y equals 0. Root 3y equals negative root 2x or y equals negative root 2x over root 3. Now let's substitute this value into, so substituting y equals negative root 2x over root 3 in equation 2, we get root 3x and minus root 8 times, instead of y we'll write root 2x over root 3 is equal to 0. Now we can take LCM. So what will happen? Root 3 is our LCM. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3x minus, this remains the same, so this will become plus negative root 8 into negative root 2x is plus root 16x equals 0. If you cross multiply, this will vanish, and therefore this is 3x plus 4x equals 0, and 7x equals 0. Therefore x equals 0 over 7, which is equal to 0. So x equals 0 is the first value which we have found out, and we'll substitute this x equal to 0 in one of the equations. Maybe we can substitute in equation 2. Root 3x minus root 8y equals 0. So root 3 times 0 minus root 8y equals 0. Therefore negative root 8y equals 0 or y equals 0. So in this case both x and y are 0. This is the solution, x equal to 0 and y equals 0. Now let's move on to the sixth one. This is 3x over 2 minus 5y over 3 equals negative 2, and x over 3 plus y over 2 equals 13 over 6. So let this one be the first equation, and this is equation number 2. We'll simplify 1, which is 3x over 2 minus 5y over 3 equals negative 2. So 3x over 2 plus 2 equals 5y over 3. So if you take this negative 5y over 3 to the right side, it will become positive. Similarly, negative 2 coming to this side will become positive. So this is 3x plus 4 over 2 by taking LCM, and this is 5 over 3 times y, and therefore y equals 3x plus 4 over 2 times 3 over 5. This is by bringing this 5 over 3 to the other side so that it becomes 3 over 5. What is the second equation? X over 3 plus y over 2 equals 13 over 6, and we'll substitute this value of y. So substituting value of y, maybe we can name this as equation 3, and y from equation 3. So this will be x over 3 plus 3x plus 4 over 2 times 3 over 5. There will be 1 2 in the denominator, and we can write this as into half equals 13 over 6. So this is y divided by 2, which is into half. Now this is x over 3 plus 9x plus 12 over 20 equals 13 over 6. So I have multiplied this, and 2 in the denominator. So what is this? We can take LCM. So this will be 60, and 3 will go 20 times, so this is 20x, plus this will go 3 times, so 27x plus 36 equals 13 over 6, and in fact we can cancel this 10 times. And what is this? 20x plus 27, this is 47x plus 36 equals 13 times 10. You can take this 10 to the right side and it becomes 13 into 10, and 47x equals 130 minus 36 by bringing this 36 to the right side. So this will be 47x equals 94, or x equals 94 over 47, which is equal to 2. So x equals 2 is the first value. Now we can substitute x equal to 2 in the in one of these equations, and we can get the value for y. So x equal to 2, let's put this in equation 2. Substituting x equals 2 in equation 2. So let's do it here. Just for clarity, we'll put a line here. Okay, now what is 2? X over 3 plus y over 2 equals 13 over 6. Now I'll put the value of x. So this is 2 over 3 plus y over 2 equals 13 over 6. LCM is 6. So 3 will go 2 times. 2 to the 4 plus 2 will go 3 times. 3y equals 13 over 6. You can cancel both the denominators. It's equal. And 4 plus 3y equals 13. 3y equals 13 minus 4, and 3y equals 9. Therefore y equals 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. So we found the value of y, which is equal to 3. So the answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3 is our solution.